If you're thinking about creating a print-on-demand business and you wanted to avoid the newbie mistakes that you may be making, then keep watching this video. What is up, everybody? Fred Lam here, and welcome to my YouTube channel where you get to learn everything on how to build, grow, and scale an online business. Now, in today's topic, we're going to dive deep into the top 5 newbie mistakes that you should avoid when you start your very own print-on-demand business. But before we get into today's topic, please help me smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. Now, before we get into further details on the mistakes that most people make when they start out their print-on-demand business, you need to understand exactly what a print-on-demand business is. And if you don't know what it is, make sure that you watch this video over here. Now, the beauty about creating a print-on-demand business is the fact that it requires very little capital upfront, and you don't have to have any inventory, and you even sell high-quality products. However, at the same time, there are some pitfalls when it comes to creating your print-on-demand business. And in this video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 mistakes that most people make when they build their own business, especially with print-on-demand. So without waiting further ado, let's dive right into what these mistakes are. Mistake number 1 is the fact that people upload too many color variation. When you have too many color variation for people to choose, you are essentially setting up yourself to fail and even have choice overload for your customers. That will actually destroy your sales because when people look and see that there's so many different colors for them to choose, they will not end up buying because they are unsure on exactly what color they want. This is why when it comes to selling print-on-demand items, you want to actually keep it between 3 to 5 different color variations. If you have any more than 5, it will affect your sales, and that's not what you want, especially if you're starting out and if you are spending Facebook ad dollars to your print-on-demand business. Now, mistake number 2 is that not all sizes are created equal. When it comes to creating a print-on-demand store, especially with t-shirt, hoodies, or any types of apparel that people actually wear, the sizes can be different. And even t-shirts, there are multiple different versions of a t-shirt that you can sell from different suppliers. And each of them actually comes with a different sizing chart. So if you are selling a t-shirt from one supplier and you actually found another material of another t-shirt that you want to sell, you gotta make sure that you update your sizing chart. Because the last thing that you want are customers coming to you and telling you that the size isn't right. And if you show right then and center all the sizing that is exact measurements, then guess what? You're not going to run into this issue. Because at the end of the day, having customers ship back the product to you and you got to actually create a new one to fit back the right size to send back to your customers, it will cost you a lot of money. And you want to avoid that at all costs. So make sure that you have the right sizing chart based on the material of your shirt and apparel to ensure that you are not going to run into any sizing issue. Now, mistake number 3 is trademark. It is common that we use different techniques to find what are the top trending designs and even what are the top slogans or sayings or quotes that people are really attached to, that they like, and that they want to actually wear. But at the end of the day, it is also a trap, because if you start selling designs with a particular slogan or quotes that are trademarked and you start selling it, you are going to set up yourself into some massive lawsuits. And that's not what you want. But how are you able to actually overcome this issue and wonder how you are able to figure out if a particular quote or slogan is trademarked or not? Well, all you really have to do is simply do a Google search and look at websites like Trademarkia or USPTO and simply type in the exact phrase to see if someone has already registered the trademark. If there's no registration on it, or if the registration is already inactive, then guess what? You are more than welcome to use that slogan to actually create your own design and sell it to your customers. Now, mistake number 4 is selling generic designs. I've seen this countless times where people just create a simple looking design that is not emotionally attached to the customer. All they have is simply maybe a unicorn, or maybe they have a sloth, or they just have a heart symbol on their merchandise. Guess what? These aren't going to sell. What you need to do is to ensure that your design is relatable and also can be emotionally attached to the customers that you are trying to sell to. This is why it is awesome and important for you to actually add in some quotes, some slogans, or even cross-interest design. So for an example, you can actually have a design with a unicorn doing yoga. Then that way you are going more specific to people that likes yoga and also unicorn, rather than just having a generic unicorn, which it won't sell most of the time. Now, mistake number 5 is the fact that most people sell their apparel, merchandise, and t-shirt with white background images. You never want to advertise or just have a simple product with a white background. Especially with print on demand, you need to use something called lifestyle photo. So all you're doing is turning an image from like this into this over here. So by simply having models or having your product in a lifestyle shot in a real scenario, oftentimes you are going to increase conversions and people can actually see the product from different perspective. Because your ultimate goal is to have your customers think in their head while they're looking at your product that they are actually wearing it or using the product that you are selling. If you are able to accomplish that, then guess what? You are so much closer to generate a sale and turning them from strangers into paying customers. So instead of just using generic white background, make sure that you always use lifestyle photos for your print-on-demand products. So with that being said, listen, if you are brand new and looking to start your print-on-demand business, or you are already starting your print-on-demand business, make sure that you avoid these top 5 newbie mistakes that we always see, so that you can actually shortcut your way to success with your print-on-demand business. And at the same time, if you would like help from my team and I to help you build your very own print-on-demand business and give you all the tips, strategies, techniques, and secrets, make sure you check out the link right in the video description right down below. So with that being said, I hope that this video really helps you out, especially those of you that are beginners when you're creating your print-on-demand business. And if you enjoy this, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. Till next time.